let me demonstrate the functionality. So I could drag this, goes back to the same place. The moving cursor converts to it, and when I delete it, it deletes. I can put anything, hello, and then also it preloads with the clients as well. Then I could put this, but then for example, I could put like a char, right? Then invalid input, um, right? I could also submit, right? Clicking enter or clicking the submit button. I could also delete things through this. Then when I reload the page, right, it goes back to the default setting. And then looking at my code, I mean, in the HTML, it's pretty standard. I decided not to use a style.css. I just did the CSS here since it's pretty minimal. This is what makes the cursor, to the special like move cursor when I drag the containers. This just sets up like the table, etc. Here it's linked to the JavaScript file, which is where most of the stuff happens. So here, I mean, I just made like a default name for a salesperson. I just put my name. I copy pasted right the sales data and the clients. So the initialize function, I mean, it sets up the jQuery and like the UI autocomplete. It attaches all the event handlers. It sets up like the drag and drop table, and it renders this pretty much like the starting page. Um, then the handle submission, it validates input, right? Make sure there's no chars in the number of reams, etc. It adds right a new sale if the input is sanitized. It updates the autocomplete if there's a new client. So this right there. It clears the form and it re-renders the view. Then the validate input function, again, just checks, if it's empty reams, non-numeric reams, etc. Pretty standard stuff. Then the delete cell, it just updates the model by removing the cell, and it re-renders the entire view. That's what this does, right? Just deletes it and it re-renders it. The setup drag and drop, I mean, again, self-explanatory. It makes the trash div to a target where you can delete it, right? It does like the visual feedback, and yep. Then the render sales list, it clears the existing list. It creates new rows from the sales data. It makes the rows draggable and attaches the delete handlers. Here, right? It updates essentially like the website. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you.